What does sourcing mean? Sourcing means the following. This means you'll contact the manufacturer who will create and apply your branding to your product that you're going to sell on Amazon. Here's the part. Your manufacturer will send the product direct to Amazon. The only thing you'll have to touch is, if you wish, product samples. You won't have to store stuff in a warehouse. You won't have to pick and pack it or manage it yourself. Amazon gives you a PDF. You email that PDF to your manufacturer. They print it out. They slap it on. It's a shipping label, and it ships directly to Amazon. It's a wonderful thing. And then Amazon takes it and ships it out to the customer. Here's what you're looking for when you're looking for a manufacturer for your product. First thing, minimum order quantity. How few units are required to get started? Second thing, lead time. How long will it take before it reaches Amazon? Third thing, unit price, including shipping. So that way you can get a good idea of what you're going to make per unit in profit. Fourth, quality. We want to make sure our customers are happy with their purchase because then it's easier to get more customers. Minimum order quantity, lead time, unit price, quality.